Hey family, welcome back. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Please remember to hit the like, the subscribe, the notify, and the share buttons, all of which are very, very important to engage with so that we can help others to find us and join us on this journey. My name is Ann Smith. And I'm an award-winning advocate who began doing legal research when my daughter was railroaded in criminal court with lies. It was a painful journey that I tucked away for a long time, and somehow I survived it, which wasn't always easy for me. It still isn't. But along the way, I figured out so many things about how to make the legal system work for my benefit. And now I'm sharing it with you. In this video, I'm going to talk about the number one most requested thing that I get all the time. I get it all the time. Let's go. Man, this is the number one question I get asked and have been asked for the last 4 years. So it is ready. It is time. I'm ready. So let's review it. Let's get it. New done for you document service. This is the page, right? But I'll go over everything, but I wanted to mainly focus on the frequently asked questions because there bears a lot of fruit to answer a lot of the same questions that I've been getting. Okay, so let's jump into this thing. All right. Let's just read. I will advocate for your rights and get the justice that you deserve. The special announcement is about I'm going to be working on my film adaptation of my book, but even though I'm not going to take the other types of cases, I will continue to offer child custody sessions all year round. That has a very, very special place in my heart, and I'll continue to help, mothers and fathers who are in that battle. Okay, so that's that. Okay, let's jump into the facts, the FAQs. Are you a lawyer? No, I am not. I am a legal abuse survivor and advocate, I should say, and single mother who began legal research after my daughter was railroaded in court and committed into a state hospital with lies. In my 8 years of legal research, I learned that the law is perfect and it does work when you learn how to work it for yourself. But the people who control the justice system are corrupt and rotten to the core. I believe in law and order, and I believe that when more people learn to make the law work, we all win as a society. It's literally how lawless towns were won. Okay, as you can see, I didn't read that verbatim, but you get the gist. Okay, next. What subject matter is offered for this document service? Okay, I will say this. I started this document service just as a test to see if I could fit it into my schedule, all that kind of stuff. And so I limited it to child support, but now I'm opening it up to all of these other subject matter areas, okay? So under the umbrella of family law, child support, child custody, divorce, okay? Under the umbrella of contract law, dispute with lawyers, which is my favorite. I love winning against lawyers, of course, because, they're corrupt, most of them, not all, but most. And civil law and criminal law under various matters. I mean, it's too many to name, so I just said various, okay? What is your success rate? I get this a lot. Every case is different with many variables, too many variables, I should say, from each individual man, woman, courthouse, county, state agency, and the attorneys involved. All of this plays a major role in how you have to respond to them to win, right? So I handle the matters in a very custom way that's custom to you and your case. So not every case is going to be the same. I can't predict what you're going to be sending to me. So there you have that. And people don't understand that. Like, it's just not cookie cutter for me. Okay. So let's get into the testimonial type of success. So in disputes that I've served, against lawyers, here we go. The fastest dispute resolution was a student debt claim against a client for $14,000, which was dismissed by the lawyer in 7 days. Right? Disappeared. Didn't even want to talk to me. Didn't even want to talk to the client. Okay, he just dismissed the $14,000, and that was that. And it was super fast. Very impressive. Arrest warrant. Yeah, this is my favorite one too, because it speaks to judges, more so than an opposing attorney. So all I do is hold these people accountable, okay? Because I put in the time, I put in the research, and I also gave back to the community. So I definitely put in a lot of blood, sweat, and tears into this. So I know what I'm doing, and I have the confidence to make it happen. So yeah, I wrote a couple notices to judges. I've gotten to the point where I can write it in, 10 minutes and 1 page, basically. So the arrest warrant was recalled, the case was closed, and the file was updated on the court website in 5 days. Now, that even amazed me. Like, whoa. All right, so next, foreclosure. I worked on a foreclosure case for a friend who became a client, and they the court closed the case and the auction was canceled, and that happened in 10 days. I tell you, the stuff that I wish I knew this stuff a long time ago. Like, I suffered from foreclosure. I suffered from all the violations and abuse of the court. So now it just feels so good and so empowering. And believe me, when you hire me as your advocate, you'll learn so much just from the paperwork that I deliver to you that will make you really comfortable in your skin and confident to present yourself to, the court. So anyway, moving right along. Okay, so I'm just passionate about this stuff. It feels so good to impact so many lives. I'm telling you, it's it's a game changer. Anyway, for child support, the testimonial for the child support, the fastest case was closed in 7 days. Now it can run all the way up to 3 months, because these jokers don't like you to know what you're talking about. They want an easy target, right? They want someone who just gives in and gives up. Well, that doesn't happen with me involved, and I take care of all the paperwork for you. And if they respond, I respond right back. And then it just goes on until it closes. Basically, I stay with you until the case closes, if you hire me. Okay. There's also courses along the same lines of most of this stuff, but I offer the services because people were getting confused and were sending the documents to the wrong places. I'm talking about people in the course. And it was just confusion, but I get it, because, you're stressed and you're scared and all of that. And that makes you act impulsively, and it's just a mess. So that's pretty much why I decided to, let me go ahead and open this thing up to more areas of law. Right? So I'm here, I'm doing my part. Okay. So on and on and on. Okay. So the next one is child custody. The fastest case that was closed under, in a child custody matter in court was when the judge ordered the CPS agency, Child Protective Services, to return the children in 1 hour. Again, it just blows me away. Some of these results, I'm impressed with myself. I know that sounds ridiculous and facetious, but it's not. I don't mean it that way. I'm just impressed with how far I've come along, in this legal case matter situations. I don't know what you want to call it, but yeah, it amazes me too. If it impresses you, great. If it doesn't, I'm impressed. I'm working for me and for you, right? So divorce. The fastest resolution in a divorce matter that I handle was in 15 days. And I'm talking about, this was a nasty, ugly, contentious divorce. Not talking, hiding assets. It was a lot. It was a mess. It gave me a headache. But most of these cases do. And most of these cases are very heartbreaking. Uh-oh. And so, yeah, that was just a quick, they're going to have to call me back. Yeah, I get a lot of emails. I get a lot of phone calls, and I can't. It's a lot. I'm overwhelmed. So this is the best way that I can be of service to humanity and keep a little bit of my sanity going and build the organization, because my dream is to one day be able to offer all of this service for free. I want to build up a team and take care of everybody and all of that. But in the meantime, this is the best way that I can handle it right now. Okay, so let's see. Where was I? Okay, yeah, the fastest nasty divorce case. And I don't get a lot of those. Maybe I'll start getting more now. I don't know. But yeah, it wasn't pretty. It was an ugly, nasty case that had been going on for since 2018, 2 years or a year and a half, something like that, over a year. So whatever. And it doesn't matter how long a case has been going on. Once I come on board, it's pretty much a seal and done deal, right? Because I don't play games with them. I hold them accountable. That's really my secret sauce. I hold them accountable to their laws. How about that? Okay, so, all right, where was I? I lost my damn place. Okay, I will do my best to get favorable results. Every case is different with different background details. Therefore, I say again, I cannot guarantee these results. No one can. I have to emphasize that there's no guarantee of any specific outcome despite my best effort, okay? Because I don't want to be blamed for anything going wrong in your case or in your situation at home, because I am not God. I'm not a miracle worker, none of those. I just do what I know to do best by holding down all of the actors involved and all of the major players. I hold them accountable. That's it. That's my whole secret sauce. Hold them accountable to their own laws. Those laws applies to them, not to you. And that's all I do. Okay, but I do it extremely well, and I'm very, very proud of that because I've come a long way. This was not easy. It was 8 long years of struggling through this stuff, okay? So, but the struggle was worth it because, paying your dues is the way to gain knowledge and experience, and that's what I did. All right, so let's keep going. What's included with my purchase? Okay, so each session includes document review because I need to see what's going on. I need to see everything that they sent you. And then I'll make recommendations. Sometimes I need to step away and sleep on it. So I may meditate on some things, and that's how I get a nice little download, just a mental download of what I need to do. Let's see. Education. I also provide education to you that empowers you to make informed decisions. And this is speaking specifically to people who have an attorney or wish to get an attorney. I can be the intermediary between you and your attorney. I don't discourage you from getting an attorney if that's what you want and if that's what your comfort level is, but then I can be the advocate with you while you're dealing with the attorney. And a lot of people like to do it that way, and I encourage it. It's fine. That's fine. But you don't need to if you have me, but if you want to, I'll help you along the way. Okay, you're grown. I don't tell grown folks what to do. If that's what you want to do what you want to do that's comfortable for you. Okay, so legal research is also included, document preparation, of course, and that total session, the total session is 4 hours per session. Okay, so that's what you're getting for the fee. All right, let's see. Can I purchase more than once? Absolutely. In fact, most cases require more than one session of document preparation. Like I said, sometimes the agency or the court or whoever, all the players involved, the opposing counsel, opposing side, will want to play games and go back and forth. And you may need to purchase a second um, session, depending on how complicated it is. If it's like a simple response that I need to do, fine. I'll just kind of like just include it in your first session. But if it requires me to do a deep dive and all of that, then yes, you're going to be needing to, hire me for a second session to continue on. Okay, that's just fair. Okay, let's see. Can you guarantee that I'll win? Oh, I get that a lot. No. I can only guarantee that your documents will be prepared with the applicable state and federal laws that hold the moving party accountable to the law. That is my guarantee. Okay? Let's keep it going. Will we have a meeting? All communication and document exchange will be handled in the portal, which includes the document exchange and video calls as needed. Most likely I'll use Zoom. I've been searching for different video chat services, but nothing has compared so far to Zoom. And so there you have it. We'll probably be Zooming. Will you contact people or make phone calls or send emails on my behalf? No, I will not. However, I will provide you with the appropriate responses that you can communicate to the opposing party inside the portal. Okay? If you feel the need, and sometimes I'll encourage you, listen, this requires a phone call, and this is what you can say to them. And then we'll talk about it, and you get to your level of comfort and confidence, and boom, there you have it. Okay? But no, I'm not contacting anybody on your behalf. I can't do that. Okay? You trying to get me in trouble? No. Okay, so let's go. Why is your fee $2,000 per session? Okay, well, let's compare, shall we? The cost for law school is $100,000 plus 4 years of law school. Then lawyers charge a retainer fee of $2,500, and that's for starters. That's just for starters, right? My fee is fair compensation for 10,000 plus hours of legal research, making my service fee exceptionally fair. Okay. So what else did I say? Oh yeah, I provided, just to remind you that, I've been here. Like I'm not new to this. Okay. I'm totally true to this. And I provided free community service for 4 years prior to me offering private consultation. And I still currently offer free courses and other free resources and financial assistance, which you'll see in a minute, that I continue to offer to continue my dream of impacting and empowering 1 million people with self-help legal education. Can I get a refund if I'm unhappy with my purchase? Absolutely not. This is not cookie cutter anything. It is custom, intensive, tedious, and time-consuming legal research to resolve your legal storms. It consumes me because I will relentlessly pursue any wrongdoers for my clients, and the work will begin right away. Therefore, your purchase is not eligible for a refund. Let me repeat that. Your purchase is not eligible for a refund. I have a lot of people who are shady and shysters, scammers, scallywags, all of that, they're just clamoring for my paperwork so that they can resell it. So no, I'm sorry. Sorry, not sorry. You can't get a refund. I'm going to start working my fingers to the bone to make sure that I deliver on my word, because my word is bond, and I don't play with my word. Okay, my reputation means the world to me, and you mean the world to me, and I will begin work right away. And so yeah, no refund. So then you will come down to the purchase portion, right? And then so you just click the Get Started Now button, and then that will take you to the payment, right? But if you don't have the full entire fee, I do offer financial assistance in the form of a free course, right? And this free course is called Zero Startup Challenge. And I mean, when I tell you the course is amazing, it is literally the course that saved me um, after I experienced the homelessness from my own foreclosure. It got me off of the couch, and I was down on that couch, my mama's couch, for 3 years. And I'm very, very proud of being able to give back in this manner. So you will have an opportunity to get this training and start your online business all for free. The training is free, the business startup is free, and you'll start earning. As a matter of fact, I just came across a actual TikTok page that the young woman offers a lot of side hustles that you can start for free, and I'll send that in the link. Not in the link, what am I saying? I'll send that in the email when you sign up for Zero Startup Challenge, because I want you to be able to win. I want you to be able to win financially and to have access to legal success as well. So this is, my way of giving back, and I hope you can see that and appreciate that. Okay, so that's pretty much all I have to share with this video. I'll leave the links to everything that I mentioned in this video in the video description box, which is going to include that young woman's TikTok page where she shares all of the side hustles on her channel. And I'll leave the link for this new Done For You service in the video description box. Y'all, although I'm still healing from legal abuse syndrome, I know that a lot of other people are too, and they need this support. So that's why I'm here, and I push past the pain, and I just do it and get it done, and I just meditate a lot. So that's pretty much all I have for you today. I'm just looking over my notes here. Yeah, that's all I have for you today. Have a great day on purpose. And if you found value in this video, and if this message resonated with you, please check the links in the video description box on your way out. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and comment I'm trying to think of a comment. Comment what new videos you want to hear from me. Like, give me video ideas so that I can try to meet you where you are. That's what I'm trying to say. Okay, so yeah. Share this video everywhere. And please tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend for them to come join us here on this nation building journey by subscribing too, because it's gonna take a village, honey. Please remember to check the video description box for tons of free resources. My premium courses links will also be there, and they help you to go further faster. And all of my social media links, of course. Take a look, click around, and let me know what you think in the comments. And what do I say here? Yeah, I just wanted to make things easier for you than it was for me. That's my mission. Okay, so I love you for real. I love you for life. Be encouraged, be inspired, and until next time, be safe, everybody. Bye.